Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. If you watched our Sunday night stock pick video, you know that this was one of the stocks along with the GNOG that I was talking about, looking for an entry to buy more shares. And I just wanted to share some news that I got on the stock earlier today in an email. So before we go any further, just to reiterate, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this stock. I'm just telling you that I do own it. This is something I'm excited about, and for those who do own it, I just wanted to share this information with them. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I subscribe to their email campaign to kind of, you know, get a heads up on PR releases, updates, things like that. And our last PR that we got was January the 6th, telling us that they spudded the well, but that they were still missing some equipment to complete it. And the market didn't really react too much to that. It shot up, maybe I guess 20, 30 cents, and then it shot right back down to exactly where it was. So I was kind of surprised that it didn't react a little bit more than it did. So I want to just show you the email that I got today, and I think that and I'm hoping that this is going to send it in that uptrend that we've been waiting on to send it towards that $5 level. So it says good news from Zion to Zion's family and friends. The subject is Zion, a journey of faith. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. We are now drilling in Israel on our new well number 2. It was brought to my attention recently by God that when Zion began, we were a very small company, and now I believe God gave me this scripture in Job 8:7, which says that we will eventually be a very large and prosperous company in the future. I want to highlight this part again for you. We are now drilling in Israel. Holy moly, this is big, baby. Okay, the fact that they just announced that they're going to start drilling, or they already are drilling in Israel, that's big news right there, considering where this stock has been. And I'm excited to see how the market reacts to it tomorrow. I'm hoping it's in a positive way. I'm hoping that this gets out to more people, to send this stock up where it needs to be. And then the next big thing again would be if they actually strike oil. That's going to send it, like I said in my stock pick video on Sunday, just bonkers. So let's go ahead and look at the charts real quick for those who may be thinking about getting in a position in this stock, and just kind of show you the key support and resistance levels. Okay, so I'm on the 180-day 4-hour chart. As you can see here, we are still in the red on the MACD. RSI, we're right dab in the middle because it can really go either way. I think people were just waiting on some type of news before they pile into the stock. And as you can see, we're still trading above that SMA line, which is a very good sign for us. Inside our support and resistance levels, our support, we find that at 74 cents. Our resistance is at about 93. So if if the market does not react too much to this news here, if it doesn't send it over that 93 and we just continue to trade in this little channel here, then you can kind of hold tight and just watch, and probably watch it tick further down to like the 74-cent range. And then you can, possibly get in there and ride it up to 90 cents and just swing it that way. That's what a lot of people have been doing. And but tomorrow, if it does start kind of taking off, you might want to watch it. If you have thinkorswim and you're familiar with looking at when a good entry is for a stock, our EMA and SMA video will do you some good, because you know that if I'm going to get in and I want to see a good sign of price strength, I need one green candle close above that green EMA line, okay, to know that I have some good price strength moving forward. And then on the swing, if we have one candle close below that EMA line, then we know that we see some potential for downside. So if you're not familiar with that verbiage and those indicators, then look at the description below. I do have that video that you can take a look at to learn about those. But anyway, stock is currently trading at about 90 cents. So keep an eye on it tomorrow. And if you have not got into this stock, then you definitely want to check it out at the open and see exactly how it's reacting. If it's coming out, swinging out the gates. Don't chase it. Be patient, because you're going to see a pullback on the stock. It's not going to go, I don't think it's just going to go straight up. You might see a little momentum, and if it busts through that 93 cents, you may see it pull back and bounce off. And then just make sure that if it starts going crazy tomorrow, don't try to chase it, because this is a penny stock. It's very volatile. It can go down just as fast as it can go up. And which leads me to my other thing is, if you do want to buy this stock, it is not available on Robinhood or Webull, but it is available on TD Ameritrade and Fidelity. So that's the brokerages you would need to have to trade this stock. So anyway, I just wanted to share this information with all of you who do own this stock, or if you're thinking about getting into the stock. I wanted to give you an update on it. So again, not telling you to buy it. I just have it. I was excited about it. And if you're keeping up with this particular stock, I figured this would be some good information to share. So anyway, feel free to comment below. Give me your comments on this particular stock, if you own it or you're thinking about buying it. And also, guys, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to grow the channel and trying to help as many people as possible. So I really appreciate a like and subscribe for the information that I provide on my channel. That's all I ask in return. So other than that, guys, we'll see you in the next video.